Hello children. Today we will know about sense organ. There are 5 sense organ in our body. First let us know the name of the sense organ. This is the picture of tongue. This is the picture of eye, ear, nose and skin. So how many sense organs are there? 5 sense organs are there in our body. Now one by one we will see the sense organ and the action performed by the sense organ. This is a picture of eye. There are 2 eyes. Eyes, or we can say EYES eyes. Now you are looking at the screen and can see the scenery and all. So what action we perform by our eyes? We can see. What we can do? We can see. This is a picture of tongue. T-O-N-G-A. Tongue. Though my handwriting is not so good because I am writing on the screen. Please, when you are writing in your copy, maintain lines. And with the help of the tongue, we can test the food. It is sour, it is spicy, it is sweet. The different food have different taste, and we can test the food with the help of a tongue. T-A-S-T-E, test. This is skin. Skin, or we can say S-K-I-N. With the help of the skin, we can feel the softness, the roughness. Next sense organ, ear. 2 ears are there. How many ears are there? 2 ears. A-R-S or E-A-R-S. What we can do, as I'm speaking and you are hearing, so what action you are performing now? You are hearing, so we can hear. Arrow, hear. We can hear with the help of ears. This is the picture of nose. N-O-S-E or N-O-S-E. Good smell, bad smell, different fragrance, aroma we get through the nose. So we smell. Which action is performed by nose? We smell. So many sense organ we have learned. How many sense organ are there? Total number of sense organ, as we know, there are 5 sense organ which already we have learned. Let us know the name once again. Tongue, eyes, ears, nose, skin. And let us know the action performed by tongue. We test the food. Eyes, we see. Ears, we hear. Nose, we smell. And skin, we touch and feel. So you all have learned about the sense organs. Now you practice at home and learn the spellings. Thank you for watching.